Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I really need, if anyone knows a better way to open this vlog, because I feel like a goober every time I say that. But I just got home. Me and Lila, who's now making slime. Oh, hold on. Hello. Yes, the one across from, like, the toll gate. Why? Which one did you go to? No, I went to that one because, I don't know. It was on my mind. Alright. Alright. You can go in it, yeah. They just have a drive-thru too. Alright. Alright. Bye. Anywho, so I just got back with Lila from gymnastics / we're making slime. Let it drain a little bit more. Hold it really quick. We got this while we were at Target.
Slime.
Little Target haul. We went to gymnastics, then me and her had some Subway, a little Subway date, and then we went to, hey guys. We went to Target, and then we went to 401 Reptiles to get Toothless food. But I'm going to New Orleans. I'm gonna try to get this up before then, but I'm going to New Orleans on Wednesday, so I decided to get some stuff for when I go. But I found this super cute Harry Potter short sleeve that's like wicked lightweight, and then I found this sweatshirt that I needed to get. Come on, and it's super soft, and I plan on wearing that all the time. Then I got these really cute jeans. They're like high-waisted, stretchy. They're really nice. And then I just got a whole bunch of travel stuff, like travel shampoos, deodorant, makeup. I usually don't use these to take makeup off my face. I actually use coconut oil, and then I use a cleanser after to get remaining of the coconut oil. But that's easier to travel with than coconut oil, so I was just using that. I got hairspray, and then a face cleanser. These little ones, and then I got this. Okay, if you want to throw that in the garbage. And then I got this cute little, I have a giant wallet right now, and I figured this will be easier because I have like a fanny pack. It's not glittery, it's literally just a gray. It's just a, nope, just give me 1 second and I'll be right over, okay? But it's, I got this cute little wallet to fit better in there. And then lastly, I got some glue sticks because Lila's homework that she's been taking home has been requiring cutting and gluing, in which we don't have any glue sticks, so I've been taping everything. And then I saw this really cute planner. It's called the Parent Planner, but it also has a lot of places where I can do notes and my budget and everything I need. And I'm also starting a cake business, so I figure this will help with organizing my cake stuff. Super excited about this. I will, I might get started on some of that stuff today. And I also bought some containers to organize my cake stuff, so I'll show you guys that as well. But let's help Lila make some slime.
There's someone here now.
It's okay.
The table has.
So now we need
Number one.
we need 2 tablespoons of this, and then add 2 more tablespoons of Elmer's Liquid Magic Oil Mix. So, nope, we need an actual tablespoon.
Actual tablespoon?
Yep, so... It's not coming off my hand.
Because it's sticky. You should put your hands in it first.
I shouldn't have done that. That was a bad idea. It's still in between my fingers.
I want to do it. Still in between your fingers.
You can do the blue, okay?
But I want to do the blue.
you want to put this in here?
Yes, number 3, start off.
Form.
Oh!
Thank you.
Jen, how'd you do that? Okay, pour it in here.
It's still really, really sticky.
Yeah, I think it's because I
I played blue one.
added 2 extra because it wasn't coming together.
Yeah, you gotta give it time.
Oh, I didn't know that. Then you need it.
Oh no.
See?
Here.
No, you need it.
That is really sticky. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Daddy's gonna.
Also,
Oh no.
That's my exact question that I was having. You're supposed to eat it.
Can't.
Maybe this one will do.
I gave you a little.
I like the mess.
Can you give me the other one?
You think it's
Are we recording?
Yeah.
I got my handy dandy cameraman holding the camera for me, but we recently started getting a produce box,
Daddy.
and it's called the Misfit Produce Box, and it's all organic stuff, and they just like throw miscellaneous things, but it's all like unwanted. It doesn't. They don't look pretty much. But it's really cool. So they put ooh. So we started getting this is our second time getting it. I'm really excited. Ooh, we got some more romaine. I think that's a leek. Huh? Huh? I'll put this over here. Let's see, what else did we get? Pomegranate. Ooh. That, I'm super excited about that. I love pomegranate. Let's see. I think this is like some kind of broccoli. If you guys know what this is, let me know. I think it's in the broccoli family.
I know it's broccoli. It's broccoli. It's broccoli.
No,
Possibly. Let's see. Oh, more leek.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Let's see.
I'm new to this.
Got some pears. Oh, they're little ones. Ooh, we got some more apples.
Is
Oh,
it?
really good too.
It's a sweet potato.
It's a sweet
The world's
potato.
smallest sweet potato. The size of
Can I see the sweet potato?
Yeah, but one whole one makes.
They're cute.
Can I see the sweet potato?
Sure. Choky baby. Sweet potato.
Can I see sweet potato?
Bless
I can sneeze. Okay. Cucumber. Mommy will eat that.
What about me? I like cucumbers. So.
Ooh, we got some more potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
We got a lot this time. I feel like last time we didn't get as many. Ooh, we got some red onion. I'll definitely eat those.
Red onion? Oh, red onion.
I keep feeling like I have to sneeze.
Cabbage.
Ooh, we got limes.
Ooh.
I think.
Let's get another apple.
Limes?
We got a lot this time.
Limes?
Yeah. Oh no, I think
That's cabbage.
that's cabbage. We
Yeah.
got more cabbage, which is good because Toothless eats it.
Yeah.
Sweet potato and another apple.
Nice.
So that's cool.
A sweet
Yeah,
potato?
see? So this is everything we get. It's usually miscellaneous type things. So we got a whole bunch of apples, fruits, veggies, leafy green type things. We need to figure out what to do with that. Some broccoli. So yeah, that's the cool findings. So I love it so far. We usually, I don't buy much produce. I just go based off of what we have. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm really excited about the pomegranates. I actually want to kind of open one up now. So, update on the slime. We fixed it. They work now.
Because Daddy fixed it.
Yeah,
Daddy fixed the slime.
he fixed the slime.
He was swishing it all over his hands.
Yeah.
And it was all sticky and looky, but it feels good now. You can stretch it and put it all over your hand. But you have to wash your hands when you're eating snack.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's broccoli rabe. Made broccoli rabe.
Oh, that sounds about right. Is that cooked?
Yeah.
Can you find something that's not cooked? Oh yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's definitely it. Oh, we can do something for a side with that. Let's see. Whoa, cool.
Broccoli rabe is green.
What do we have doing for this week for dinner?
It's called, yeah, so rapini. I think it's actually called rapini. Is known for its slight bitter taste.
Oh, it popped.
Excuse me, I just got you a water bottle. Where's yours? Stop drinking everybody else's.
Okay.
You're a punk.
Right? Love. Birthday cupcakes. Oh,
You're silly.
birthday cupcake snacks, Fred.
You got a chocolate face.
Open that, huh?
You're silly. Toothless, I need to clean this cage today because tomorrow we have pretty much a chaotic day. But look how big he's getting. I feel like he doubled in size since we got him. He's huge. And this little brat over here. So I got the sand to make it easier for me to clean up his poop because I figured it's like cat litter and they say you can just sift it out. That's why I got this thing to just scoop the poop out. Nope. This mofo stopped pooping in the sand and started pooping all over his tree. Like all over his tree. So now I have to clean all that out. Don't know why he has to be so difficult. But I'm gonna start cleaning everything up and then organizing my cake stuff. And I will see you guys in a bit. Well, I'm gonna organize all my cake stuff because it's a hot mess. This is what it looks like now. Very disorganized. So I got these at Target to kind of organize some of these things. So we'll see how it goes. So this is what I got so far. So all my fondant cutter, like the cutters for the fondant, are in here, all the letters and stuff. Then in here, oops. Well, these are all my textured, like, molds. These are my fondant molds. So, like, that stuff. I may have to fix that. And then in here are all of the fondant tools. My Flexi Smoothers, fondant smoother, fondant tools, buttercream smoother, and spatulas. Thing called editing. Alright, and then all of my tips. I got a whole bunch of new piping tips. They're called the Russian piping tips. They are super cool. So, like, they have all these cool, like, different tips on them. It's super awesome. And they came with this little, like, booklet that shows you what each tip does. So, like, it even came with more. Like, it came with so many. It was like a 98-piece set. And it has all these cool tips that do all these cool, fun things. So I'm keeping it in this on hand just so I know which does what. And then I have all my small tips right there. So all my like smaller tips, they're in there. I did literally just line these all up, and I had them all facing up right, so I knew which one needed to be, I needed to use. So if I saw it, I would just be able to look in there and pick it out. But the minute I moved it, that's what happened. So it's staying there. And then in here are all my bags. And then here I have my foam pads for like making fondant flowers or molds or something. And then these are for like drip cakes and stuff like that. So that's what I have so far. Let's continue on.
298 frozen patties later.
Good morning. My camera ended up, the SD card ended up being full. Oh, okay. Why don't you, what happened to your neck? Why don't you go throw it in the garbage, please? So my camera ended up, the SD card ended up being full, and it stopped recording halfway through me doing everything yesterday. And I couldn't find my other one. So I ended up just ending vlogging for the rest of the day. So what, I'll show you what I got so far. Let me just check on my potatoes. So far this morning I've been to Target. I've been to Target. I've been to Stop and Shop. But currently making myself breakfast. And I went to Target and I got these more because I'll show you what I have so far with my cake stuff. So that's all I got for this, but I got more for these, and then I'm gonna figure out what's gonna go on with this stuff. But what are you doing, silly? We're actually going apple picking today, a little later. We're gonna go apple picking later. You have to save all room for the picking. So we're going apple picking with my company. They're doing like a MetLife sponsored type thing. I don't know. If it's free, it's for me. So we're going to that. Probably not gonna vlog there. But I can insert pictures after. It's good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're back from apple picking. We got some delicious apples that I'm really excited about. Poor Liam got bit by a bee. And we're watching Hotel Transylvania. Hold on a second.
I thought it would be even
There we go.
more best special.
So, can we see your finger?
You're my age.
Let me show it. Let me see.
Well, how old are you?
See how swollen it is?
100 and... yeah, I'm 121.
It's so swollen.
You see?
But it's getting better, right?
It's very, very...
Right?
I'm throwing a party.
Yeah.
He's helping.
You're so cute.
Not now.
So, Daddy just went and got pizza. We're gonna have a little movie night. And we're gonna watch. We're gonna eat our pizza. I set up a little area with a blanket like a picnic. I'm gonna feed Toothless right now some of his grub.
Good. Well, then go check on the emergency at Alex and Company.
Ooh! Yeah, we're gonna eat on Toothless is fed. He's currently in shed, so focus. Focus. Say we're happy now. Look how big he's gotten. He's literally doubled in size in a month. It's crazy. But he's fed and happy now. I usually watch him while he eats because one time we were just putting them in there and letting him hunt them as he pleased. But I took his tree out to wash it one day because he likes to poop on it. So I take it out every week or whenever he poops and I wash it. But when I went to go put it in the sink, I found 10 roaches hiding in it. Freaked me out. So I watch him while he eats them, and if he doesn't eat them, then I put him back in their little container because I ain't about that life. So I'm gonna put him back. Daddy just got back with the pizza.
Awesome.
I am so blown away right now.
I'm ending the vlog. Kian's excited about eating in here.
The best party ever.
Smiley boy.
He's so cute.
Who is that? I'm on the camera now. Who is that?
Do you see yourself?
Tell
Are you gonna talk to the camera? Yeah.
me about yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So, all right, pizza's here. We're gonna have some dinner. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys next time on my next vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below for new video ideas. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel if you do all of those. Make sure to turn that bell icon on as well because I'm really bad at uploading it on time. So that just notifies you when I upload a video. So again, thank you for watching this. I hope you guys have a great one and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.